Alright, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a common problem that you get sometimes in low light situations, sometimes when you crop an image too much, and a lot of times when you're shooting with an iPhone because they're a low resolution file in the end. So what we have here is a picture that I took at nighttime in Naples, Maine. And as you can see inside here, it's not a bad looking picture, but if you look close in through the top of the sky here, it looks kind of grainy. And that happens when you have noise in your picture. And I'm going to show you how to fix noise, whether it's this type of noise where it's grainy from low light pictures, whether it's from using your iPhone, or whether it's just cropping a picture too much and you need a little bit more clarity in it by reducing the noise. So it's a real simple fix. We're using Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2018, and all you have to do, okay, is once you've brought the picture into Photoshop, is you're going to go up here to where it says Filter. You're going to click on Filter. You're going to go to Camera Raw. Alright, and that will open up here in a second, and I'll show you what we'll do as soon as that opens up. It's a little slow here today. A little slower than I want, but anyways, let's hope it opens up here. Okay, there we go. So now here it is inside of the Camera Raw filter, and all we have to do to fix this is we're going to go over here to the third icon where it says Detail. We're going to click on that. Alright, and a lot of times we'll be sharpening things in here, but in this particular video we're going to get rid of the noise. So right down here where it says Luminance and Noise Reduction, we're going to slide that over all the way. Alright, and you'll see that it starts to clear all that up. See how it's smooth that up real nice? Now, you don't have to go all the way. I'm just showing you that so that you can see just how far you can go and how nice it looks. But you can go any place in between 100 and 0 to whatever you like it to look for your noise reduction. So when you're done, you're just going to click OK. Alright, and that will clear up here for us in a second, and it'll show us after it goes through the filter. Okay, so now you can see how smooth it's gotten up here, and let me show you how what we started with, which is this, which is kind of grainy. After we ran the Camera Raw filter, we put this in here, and you can see how it smooths everything out. So the sky's kind of rough, it's a little grainy in the water, even on the boats, to this, and it's all smooth and nice, okay? And you can go to that to whatever degree you want to go in smoothness or noise reduction. So that's it for this video.